Imagine a winter wonderland where every step crunches beneath your feet, and the world is hushed by snow. This is the realm of snowshoeing, a pastime that offers a unique blend of adventure, tranquility, and fitness. Let's explore why snowshoeing is a step above hiking. Snowshoeing is not just hiking's cold weather cousin, it's an entirely different experience. Unlike hiking, snowshoeing allows you to traverse snowy landscapes with ease, thanks to the wide surface area of snowshoes that distribute your weight and prevent sinking. This means you can explore untouched snowy trails and meadows, creating your own path in a serene, pristine environment. Moreover, snowshoeing is a silent sport. The soft padding of snowshoes on fresh snow offers a peaceful experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the quiet beauty of nature. Plus, with snowshoeing, there's no need to wait for the snow to melt to enjoy your favorite trails. Winter transforms familiar paths into new adventures, offering a fresh perspective on the great outdoors. Snowshoeing is not only about the scenery, it's a full-body workout that rivals any gym session. The resistance of moving through snow strengthens your leg muscles, while the balance required to navigate uneven terrain engages your core. Additionally, the poles used in snowshoeing work your arms and shoulders, ensuring an upper body workout as well. This combination of cardio and strength training can burn more calories than walking or hiking, making it an excellent choice for those looking to stay fit during the winter months. One of the most compelling reasons to choose snowshoeing over hiking is its accessibility. Snowshoes are designed to fit over your regular winter boots, and with modern bindings, they're easy to put on and take off. This simplicity means that snowshoeing is accessible to people of all ages and skill levels. Furthermore, the cost of entry is relatively low. A basic pair of snowshoes is affordable, and many parks offer rentals at a nominal fee. This makes snowshoeing a budget-friendly way to enjoy the outdoors and stay active during the colder months. In conclusion, snowshoeing offers a unique blend of adventure, tranquility, and fitness that hiking alone cannot match. With the ability to forge new paths in the snow, the peacefulness of a quiet landscape, and the health benefits of a full-body workout, snowshoeing stands out as a winter activity. It's accessible, affordable, and a fantastic way to experience the beauty of winter. So when the snow falls, strap on a pair of snowshoes and step into a world of winter wonder.